Hello, guys. Good morning to all of you, and whoever is going to watch, listen this video in afternoon. Then good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are doing well enough in your life. Let's discuss some hidden topics. Okay, this topic is hidden. Okay, now I am here to just make you understand on some important aspect which are hidden, but now I am here to light on those topics. So let's discuss on thalassemia, because most of the people don't know what is thalassemia, but it is correlated with the CBC. Now let's discuss what is thalassemia and what happens when thalassemia isn't working properly. So, thalassemia is a health condition that affects the blood. It is a bite. It is a bite like having special workers in your body who carry oxygen to your cells. These workers are called red blood cells, and they have a special substance called hemoglobin that helps them to do their job. I'm making you understand in a very simple language so that all of you can understand. Okay, but in people with thalassemia, these red blood cells don't work as well as they should, because they have problems with their hemoglobin. Absolutely, this can make you feel tired and weak because your body isn't getting enough oxygen. Okay, guys, before saying anything about this most important topic, please must subscribe our channel and share our video more and more as you can, because this video is not for the entertainment, it is for the purpose of education, so that everyone can be educated with the help of Mission Parivartan. So let's go. So there are two types of thalassemia. Okay, alpha thalassemia happens when some of the special workers means red blood cells which carry oxygen, that means worker, okay, don't have enough alpha globin, which is the part of hemoglobin. And the other one is beta thalassemia is when the red blood cells don't have enough beta globin, okay, another part of hemoglobin. It's time to understand very carefully that when thalassemia isn't working properly, some symptoms may occur and you can face them like a fatigue. Okay, people with thalassemia often experience extreme tiredness and weakness. And anemia. Thalassemia causes a form of anemia where there is a shortage of red blood cells or lack of healthy red blood cells, I can say. And the other one is jaundice. Jaundice means pelia. Okay, thalassemia can lead to the breakdown of red blood cells, causing a buildup of a substance called bilirubin. Delayed growth development. Children with thalassemia may experience growth delays, means they can grow very slowly, okay, both in terms of height and as well as weight. And the other one is frequent infection. People with thalassemia, especially those who require blood transfusions, may have a higher risk of infection due to changes in their immune system. Absolutely. And there are also other important symptoms which can affect you. So please go through the doctor, go through the specialist. Okay, so before going to purchase any kind of medicine, any kind of syrup to just adjust your thalassemia, I think you need to consult with your doctor first. So it is very important to note, okay, that the severity of these symptoms can vary widely. Okay, can vary widely. Some individuals, means some pupils with thalassemia may have mild symptoms and lead relatively normal lives, while others may experience more severe complications that require ongoing medical treatment, support of your doctor, okay, and also treatment with the help of your doctor. So consult with your doctor, and thank you for our watching. We